Hello guys and welcome. In this video I'm gonna make a simple and perfect player jump with hair animation. So without killing time, sub my channel and let's go. Okay, at the first I go to the player script and write public transform grounded check for checking if player on the ground or not, and public layer mask ground layer for knowing the ground layer is equal to layer that I want, and public float jump force, for example, equal to 5, and public float grounded check radius, for example, equal to 0.2 float. And the last one, public bool is grounded. So I need a transform for knowing player is on an object or not, and I need a layer mask for knowing that object layer is ground or not. After that, I write is grounded equal to physics2d dot overlap circle, and the first parameter is grounded check dot position. The second parameter is grounded check radius, and the last parameter is ground layer. And I say if is grounded equal to true and input dot get key down, for example key code dot escape. In the that position I want to jump, so rb dot velocity equal to new vector 2, rb dot velocity dot x, whatever, and a jump force. So I use the jump force for y value and save that. Okay, I back to the scene, and there is a transform parameter and the layer mask parameter. So because that, I want to create an empty object and set name is grounded check, and change transform it to my player's leg, and then I put them to the grounded check parameter, and I want to set my ground layer value. As you say, you can use more than one parameter for ground layer. For example, you can use anything or nothing, but now I just use the ground. So now we need the set ground layer equal to ground. After player checking, I want to change keycode.escape to keycode.space. I think that's very much better. I save that again and I back to the game and play scene for test that, for checking the player jump is successful or not. Very good. The player jump once on the ground. Now I want to create player jump animation exactly like a player idle and player run animation. So I click new animation, I go to the animations folder and set name is player jump. And I put my player's picture to my sprite render. Okay, now I go to the animator panel and make a transition from player idle and player move to player jump. But I just make a transition from player jump to only player idle. And then I create a boolean method and set name is jump. And then I say go to player jump when jump equal to true from player idle and player move, and back to the player idle only when jump equal to false. And for going to player jump, I want to set 0 value to exit time and disable has exit time, but for backing to the player idle I want to set 1 for exit time and I want to disable as exit time and trans direction. Now I back to the code and just write anim.set boolean jump and not equal is grounded, and I save that and back to the game, and when I test again, as you see the player jump very well. In the next devlog I'm gonna design my first map in my indie game. If you're looking to build a real game from scratch, be sure to subscribe to see the full process. Thanks for watching and I see you in the next video.